see it now.
Right there?
Yeah, I got it. On the ground.
Light it up. There it is. There it is, his funnel cloud.
Hey, hand me that flashlight out there.
I don't know where the flashlight is.
Across the road.
Yep.
You see, on your way. Here it goes. Here it goes.
You sure?
Come here, Ryan.
I see it.
I think I saw a power flash underneath it.
Sir.
I said the wind's going into it. Right there, to the
Right
left.
there to the left.
To the left. Is it down?
Looks like a little vortice.
That's what I was thinking.
Oh yeah, yeah. At the tree line.
All right, go ahead, start going. It's across the road.
Yeah. It's up there in the field.
Oh, Lord. It's trying to rewrap again. To the west of us.
Oh, it's on the ground. It's on the ground.
You see
There's
it?
fire flashes.
Right there. It's on the ground.
Hang on.
Right there.
Stop. Hang on.
Oh, yeah, you can. Whoa, big it.
Dig it.
You got it, Ryan?
No.
Go down the road, man. Big tornado. Hold on. I got it in the.
There she is.
Can you get it down? Got it?
It's right there.
Yeah. Got it.
That's ahead of us.
Yeah, they're under tornado warning themselves just to the north of us, too. The one behind us looks lost, dog. Bad.
I don't know.
Okay.